Good morning class. My name is Mangalam Agarwal. In the previous class I have take a case about to find out the vertical and the horizontal forces. Okay, when the cable is supported over the smooth pulley or the roller support. Okay, so now we are discussing about the effect of the change in the temperature stresses which is caused in the suspension cable. So students, before solving this type of numerical you must know these formulas, because without these formulas you cannot solve the numerical. Okay, so the formula for the change in the length, that is which is denoted by the ds, is equal to L alpha t plus 8 upon 3 d square alpha t upon L. Okay, where alpha is the coefficient of the linear expansion which is given in the question. Okay, and the change in the dip, which is denoted by delta d, is equal to 3L square upon 16d alpha t, where t is the temperature which is given, temperature stress. Okay, and the change in the horizontal tension, which is equal to minus 3 L square alpha t upon 16d square multiplied by h. Okay, so these are the three formulas which is very most important. So please remember these formula for solving the numerical. Okay, so now we are taking one more example how to apply this formula. Okay, in this question a suspension cable of horizontal span 210 meter is supported at the same level, okay, and has a central dip of 20 meter. We have to find out the increase in the dip if the cable is subjected to a rise in the temperature of 28 degree, and the alpha is equal to 12 multiplied by 10 to power 6 per degree centigrade. Okay, so in the question we have given the dip as 20 meter, horizontal span, that is L is equal to 210 meter, T is equal to 28 meter, and the coefficient of linear expansion, that is alpha, is also given. So we have to calculate the increase in the dip, that is change in the dip. So the formula for the change in the dip is 3L square upon 16d alpha t. So we put the values of L alpha t in this equation, and we just calculate the change in the dip as 0.1389 meter, or you can convert into the millimeter by multiplying it 1000. Okay, so change in the dip is calculated as 138.9 millimeter. So guys, in the next class we will solve one more numerical based on the fact of change in temperature stresses in the suspension cable, in which we solve how to calculate the change in the horizontal tension according to temperature stresses. Okay, so you can note down from here. Thank you guys.